Hey everybody, I hope everyone's well. A little while ago I made a video about my log splitter. I replaced the motor and I did a motor mount because the motor was too big. So this is an update on that. So far it's been running pretty good. I just want to demonstrate if you can find an old log splitter, one that's damaged or thrown out or someone doesn't want, it needs a motor, it needs wheels, it needs couplers or something like that. Go ahead and use it. Go like I did. Go to Harbor Freight, get you a $150 motor, mount it on your log splitter, or buy some tires that you need. Make minor repairs, and you got a log splitter. A new log splitter is like, I don't know, $2,000 or $1,500. So, like I said, I got like a $150 or $160 motor. I did some minor repairs, and this is just not a monster log splitter. It's a 22 ton. It's decent, but it's just very effective, and it saved me a lot of money. So I just want to make an update to kind of encourage you. If you need to fix a log splitter or you can't afford a new one, go ahead and follow Marco Reto's advice and just try to fix something up. Now see, this is, some of this wood is gum and some of this is oak. These are some large rounds, but you see this log splitter is having no problem. And if you have a super big piece of wood or a super hard grade of wood, then you just kind of cut along the edges of it. Don't go center, go to the edges. You see, this is going through this wood like butter. So I just thought I'd make this update video. And it's having no trouble going through this wood. It's like, see, that's the wood that I've been cutting with the machines, nice small pieces. Over there is stuff I cut by hand a while back, years ago. The pieces are bigger. Obviously, I'm not going to break them down into smaller pieces to save energy, but all I did was I replaced this tire here, and look at it, it's an MTD. I made the motor mount. I replaced that coupler in the middle behind that box. That's a coupler. So we have different grades of wood, different species of wood, nice small pieces. Barely broke a sweat. Just sat on my stool or just stood up to record. And see, some stuff is knotted, some stuff is larger, and you think, well, it would take me a day to split that stuff by hand. But here you go. This log splitter is doing a good job. I mean, that's why I wanted to do this update. So I hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And remember, take the time sometimes to do a couple of extra steps to save yourself some money, because this log splitter is not playing. He doesn't even care about the wood. It's like he's just not playing. Have a blessed day.